In addition to the pre-mediation activity that we've just discussed, a virtual mediation will require the following elements to be covered with the parties and their counsel as well. Clearly, vital to a virtual mediation are the technical requirements. Of these, the essential computer equipment needed, including the need for a built-in or external microphone and camera, should be reviewed with the parties. The equipment they use is up to them. It can be a desktop computer, it can be a laptop computer, an iPhone, another telephonic device, as long as the microphone and camera are present.
The principle of res judicata is that a legal right or obligation or any facts specifically put in issue and determined by a court or tribunal of competent jurisdiction cannot later be put back into question as between the same parties. Despite general recognition, the application of the principles of res judicata varies as between jurisdictions. In common law jurisdiction, the estoppel of res judicata broadly falls into two categories. Cause of action estoppel, which prevents either party from relitigating or re-arbitrating the same action against the other, and issue estoppel, which prevents a party from questioning or denying an issue already decided in previous proceedings between the parties.
Unlike the widely accepted transnational test, the test in the 2006 amendment does not expressly mention urgency, although it is said that urgency is implied within the concept of harm. The inclusion of a test for interim relief in the 2006 amendments has been criticized, including by Gary Bourne, as unnecessary because of the development of a better formulated and more nuanced international standard by arbitral tribunals, which is tailored to the circumstances of particular cases. It is also potentially damaging if it threatens the ongoing formation of international standards tailored to those particular needs.